A closer look 1. 4. Listen to the 3 R's song, and then sing along.
Unit 11. Page 50. A closer look 1. Activity 4. Listen to the 3 R's song, and then sing along.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, recycle, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's so, so simple. Just reduce the noise and reuse all bottles. Recycle broken glass. It's so, so simple.
Now sing along.
Five. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to how the underlined part is pronounced.
Unit 11. Page 51. A closer look 1. Activity 5. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to how the underlined part is pronounced.
Fast. Had. Bag. Plastic. Glass. Apple. Dance. Answer. Activity. Afternoon.
Six. Listen again and put the words in the correct column.
Unit 11. Page 51. A closer look 1. Activity 6. Listen again and put the words in the correct column.
Fast. Had. Bag. Plastic. Glass. Apple. Dance. Answer. Activity. Afternoon.
Eight. Listen to the conversation and check your answers. Practice the conversation with a classmate.
Unit 11. Page 51. A closer look 1. Activity 8. Listen to the conversation and check your answers. Practice the conversation with a classmate.
What do these 3 R's stand for, me?
They stand for reduce, reuse and recycle.
Our class is organising a writing contest. We have to write about the environment.
I see. Why don't you write about the 3 R's?
That's a good idea. I will ask my father for ideas.
Yes, he works at the Green Company, so he'll give you a lot of information.